Hi, I'm Rahul, the co-founder and CEO of Noble, the platform that increases your AI search visibility through third-party brand mentions. To show up in AI search, you need to be placed in the sources that LLMs actually cite. It's not enough to just update your website when 85% of LLM citations come from off-site sources rather than your brand's own content. But the reality is that getting mentioned in the right sources takes over 20 manual steps and 10 hours per mention, which is why we've created a platform that leverages our publisher network in order to automatically place brand mentions for you. All you have to do is set a monthly budget and we handle all the work from there. Let me show you how it works. This is Noble's dashboard, where you can see your AI search visibility score, a funnel that shows progress for your active mention campaigns, and status of your most recent mentions. If you're an agency, you can switch between different clients right here. The foundation starts with monitoring the search prompts that you want your brand to show up in. You can import prompts that you're already tracking, or Noble can draft prompts for your review. The goal here is to identify the full universe of publishers that are cited across all LLMs for the prompts you care about. This is how we know which sources to reach out to get your brand mentioned. From there, we handle the outreach, the negotiation, and draft the content for your brand. As you can see, each mention comes with a Noble mention score, noted by the color of the badges on the left. The score for each mention is calculated from looking at the domain authority and how often the page is cited by LLMs. The higher the score, the more valuable the placement, which is why the score sets the price of each mention. In this example, the mention score is a 46, so it's priced at $200 plus the publisher's fee. For each offer, Noble drafts the copy using your brand guidelines, the style of the article, and the exact prompt that you're monitoring. We even suggest where in the article it should go, so it reads naturally for the publisher and gets your brand placed faster. You can review, make any edits, and approve, then we take care of getting it live. In addition to paying the publisher to mention your brand, many publishers offer reverse mentions. These are ideal because there's no additional cost, and Noble can manage the process of swapping mentions for you. And as your product positioning, messaging, or pricing changes, Noble can refresh your existing mentions so the LLMs always have the most accurate information about your brand. So why use Noble instead of doing all of this yourself? It really comes down to three things. The first is time. We automate those 20 plus steps and hand you back more than 10 hours per mention. The second is our publisher network. We've put in the work for you to build relationships with thousands of authors and publishers behind the sources AI cites. And the third is that you only pay for success. You set a monthly budget, you're only charged when a mention actually goes live, and whatever you don't use is automatically refunded after your annual term. Getting started is simple. Just give us your URL, set your monthly budget, and tell us the prompts you want to show up in. Monthly budgets start at just $2,000 a month, and you can scale up whenever you want more. Noble has already serviced hundreds of brands and secured thousands of placements. It's a proven model built for go-to-market teams and brands that care about showing up where buyers now search in AI. If you'd like to learn more, check out thatsnoble.com.